Hello, my name is Joe from Swansway Chester Peugeot, and today I will be demonstrating to you how to change the time on your Peugeot. For this example, we will be using a 3008 model, but this method will also work across our Peugeot range. If you have any questions or queries, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll be sure to see to them as soon as possible. So the first thing we need to do is select the settings via the cogs in the top right hand side of your screen. Once we have done this, press the options in the bottom left and you will see some of the very nice settings for this vehicle. We need the set date and time, and you will be presented with the format of your display. You can choose the date, month and year, or any other order that you prefer. You can also choose multiple different time zones depending on where you are around the globe, or if you decide to drive abroad, so that your display is customized to where you are. You can also change the format between 12 and 24 hour, which is a very nice feature. You can also activate the daylight saving time, which is very handy when the clocks spring forward at the end of the month. Alternatively, you are also able to synchronize your phone via your GPS. You are also able to just quite simply change the time via the time button located at the top of the screen. Thank you for watching this demonstration video. If you have any questions or would like to see any of the other features across our Peugeot range, then please leave them in the comment section below and I will be sure to see to them as soon as possible.